Welcome guys to another MMORPG tutorial series. Today we want to create the project in Unreal Engine. We want to set up SQL database, create the tables. We need set up Unreal for a Bares plugin. We can update any folders, create widgets, and the most important is make the login and register system. So for a start, I have two files here. I have my create tables. This file is block notes. We have these lines for create tables in SQL, and we have this folder with my PHP files. This file is from other old project, so we can remake this and use. It's easy, and we have all the logic here. I update this. I put this in my description, so don't worry, you can get these files free. So let's go to start. I have these notes only for don't lose my focus, because I make this video so much time. I don't want to make a really long video, but also I want to explain what we do and why we do this code or this way. So okay, first we create the project. I want to put MMORPG this series. You can start with any template, it's the same, don't worry. Okay, for this tutorial we need have SAMP in our PC. And start Apache and MySQL. Okay, we want to enable Bares restart. Okay, great. So now we can go to internet and put this phpMyAdmin. We need to go to this panel and create the database. So we click here, new, can assign the name MMORPG database, create. Now we can go to SQL. This is like a CMD console, so we can put our codes here. Okay, first we need to create the users table. This table is for the accounts, so you can put accounts here, no user. If you want, you can custom all the content that you can see in this video. You can custom, because I know maybe your project have different requirements, so don't worry. Okay, great. Now we can create characters table. This is for the characters. So sorry, SQL can paste, and now we want to have these active sessions. Is for, with this table we can know who is online in our game. So yeah, go. Okay, so we have our database and we have the main tables. We have users or accounts table, we have characters, we have active sessions, so we don't need so much now. The next step is copy this folder. Yeah, you need copy this folder. I put this folder in the description, so don't worry. you need copy this and go to local disk samp htdocs, and you can paste here because this is the local root direction. So if you put here, when you try to make any request with this PHP file, you use this MMORPG folder for the direction. So okay, we have all this stuff, we have this down. Okay, so in editor we want to put this folder in content. I want to reorganize this, so update, remove, great. We go to create a new label, save maps, main menu, map, save, great. Now we can remove this default map, this default folder. We only have this. We can remove UF4 mannequin. It depends about what do you use for your project. So I want to create this folder and move this here. Okay, great. So I tried to make a fast video, not really long, because we have so much content in this tutorial series. So I want to do fast. Okay, we need to create a core content. This is our main frameworks blueprints here. We need a game mode and controller for this map, so we can create a game main menu, and player controller is PC main menu. Put this here and this here. Great. I want to create a new folder here, main menu. Great. And also we need one class for our MySQL code, so we can create this blueprint function library, right? So we want to put BP blueprint function library MySQL. Okay, so what we need to make two functions. We need a login and register. So for that we need to know what happened inside PHP file, right? So first we can make a register, and for this we use Barrest. Barrest is an option, a free options for connect your project with databases. Barrest management JSON content, and this JSON content expound our data in database, right? So for get the Barrest subsystem, we only need write get Barrest subsystem. And now we can start. We need to construct a JSON object, and we need to start to set the values. We can register account. So for that, if we go to the folder and we see our register file, we need some dates like username, email, password, right? So we need create inputs here. We can create an email text. We can create username, and we can create password. We need this data for create account. So we can start set string field, and we need to put here field name is the real name of value. So if we go to our table, we can see what happened inside the table. If I go to users, is my account table. I have ID, username, password, and email. So we can put other name here, like I don't know, custom email, custom username, custom password, or user email, username, or user password, and that is not important, but this is important for us because we need to put the correct name here, right? So we need username, email, and password. Okay, first I want to set up in this order. So it's more important this order, but it's the same. It's not really important. So we can put email, we can put username, and we can put password, and we can get email, get username, and get password. Now we need call our UR direction. The target is barest subsystem. The UR, always we want to use this UR. For example, we need register, right? So we need write in our Explorer, we need put localhost MMORPG AP because it's our folder, right? RPG AP register point PHP. So you can see we need data. We need set the values, but this is the correct ID. So we put this, and we need set this. Verb is post, and content type is JSON because we send this construct JSON object. Also for the UI response, we need this callback here. We can get callback. Great. And this is for this and this. Great. Now we need login, field login. And we need to do the same, but for the login. So for the login, we can get barest subsystem construct JSON object, set string field. What we need for login? For login, we need username and password, right? You can see in PHP file what we need. We need for login username. You can see here username and password, right? So great. We can write username. We can write password here, and we need create here two values: username and password. Okay, this password is not text really. It's a string, right? It's a string because if you want put special characters and have a really long password or something like that, is better string always. So yeah, username, get password. We don't need a conversion here, and we need call UR. Yeah, so we need the direction. It's the same. If we write here localhost MMORPG AP register, we need write login PHP, and yeah, we have the same. This is a warning message, and of course say we can get the user, and because we don't send any data in this direction, but with this we send this data, right? This data. So we need only put the URL here, and yeah, the same post. And now we want to make a request because we want to know if our data is correct and get a callback if it's true or not. So we put request body and we send this here, and add this callback here, get callback. Yeah, great. And yeah, of course we need a target here. Okay, I think it's okay. We can start with the widgets. So for that we want to create yeah, maybe here put widget, or well, we can do all here, but yeah, I want to put here widget because this is a widget blueprints have functions, so for me is correct here. Main menu, yeah, here, show mouse cursor, event graph. If it's local controller, pre-controller, returns local player controller, it's local controller. Yeah, I think it's the same, so we can use this player controller branch, and yeah, if it's true, create widget, main menu, add to viewport, and we can get self, set input mode, UI only. Great, get this here. I think all it's okay. We need to set up a widget. We can add canvas. We can add a blur. 0, 0, 10 maybe. No, sorry. Here, 10 maybe. We can add overlay. We can vertical box in the center 0, 0, 0.5, 0.5, 600, 4, I think. Okay. So, what we need? It's a good question. So we want a text, right? So we can add vertical box here, text, and edit text, maybe text box. And for example, we can put here account or username. I want to use this round box. It's more my style, so use round box. And I want to have this here. Can be this and this. Okay, we can add padding here like 10 or more. 40. Okay, I think it's much better now. So yeah. Oh no, sorry. I make a mistake. Zero is better. Okay, now let me see, spacer here. Can add 10 or 5, and for this we can use 10 maybe. Padding here is 0. I think 5 it's okay too. 4. Yeah, I think it's good, right? So we can duplicate this. And one more time. What happened? It's my overlay, vertical box. Okay, I have problems with these parents. Okay, we need to add the padding in the main box here. Something like that. And now we can have spacers 10 and duplicate. So we have, oh, sorry, I make a big mistake here because I need a switcher, right? We want to switch. If we want to log in, we have username, we have password, and we have buttons here. If we want switch, for example, if I put register or create account, if I click, I need switch my panel. So it's my mistake. Need that here and this here. Okay, yeah, now this have so much sense. I think we can replace this for the child. Yeah, and now we can add a border here. No border, sorry, overlay, and all these go to overlay, and I can remove this overlay, have this. Sorry, no, put this. Yeah, now yes, make a really good sense for me. So we have username. I want to have a password. We don't need this part. We can remove this and add horizontal box. Yeah. And here we can add buttons. Text. Put quit game. More less number, something like that. We don't need padding, and these don't need padding too. Yeah, great. Rounded box, yeah, it's okay. I think it's good. So we have button quit game and this text. Okay, now we have create game. No create game, sorry. We have a login. Login. We have other, is create account. Create account. Or register if we want, but yeah. Don't register. We want to put this here. Yeah, it's good. Spacer. Then. So yeah, this is our first menu, right? I want to add a text. No, we need to duplicate this. And now we want to add one more and one more spacer, because we have username, password, and email. Right. So now we have a vertical box, spacer, vertical box, spacer, and we have buttons. Yeah. So we put here. Yeah, I think it's better. So right, username, password, email, and we need put examples here, like example email, example.com. The text, I need to change this for all the text. center. Great, and this is black. Okay, great. We can change quit game. This is back, because we can go to back to main menu. Turn back to main menu. We don't need this button. And here we can put create account. We can put this spacer here. And this is button create account. Okay, great. We have all done. If we, for example, if we put play, we have the login system here. I need to change this, sorry. I need to put in this text in the middle. Yeah, so okay, great. We have our register widget. But if we put login, register, or quit game, nothing happened, right? Because we don't have any code here. So we can start. For this, we need edit this. So as edit text box, username, login, text box, password, login. Great. And here we have edit text box, username, register, text box, password, register, and we have email, edit text box, email. Great. If we go to grab, start with the text box, login, register, login, register. We need a group, login and login, and we can create new values now. Username, this is password. Great. Login group. We need to do the same for this. So we have user register, password register, and login. But we already have password and username. So we put this here. Great. And in email, we need to create email. Great, this is register group. Okay, now we need to put the buttons. Go first here. Quit game, this is easy. We always use this. Okay, it's not, oh no, sorry, here. Unclicked is quit game. We only need this, right? It's for login buttons. Register. So now we need switch. We can get switcher, switcher, this widget switcher, main menu switcher. So menu switcher, set index in 1, because 0 is login, 1 is register. So if we put in login users, we put some data, we need remove this and not save, because we use the same functions, the same values for the edit box. So we need to change this. We can set in null property, set username and password here, and after that we can change. Oh damn, sorry. Great. Okay, we can check. We can quit game, we can register. We have this now. We can work with back to main menu and click it, and we do the same, right? We do the same thing. We need set email too, so we make this and this. Okay, great. So we can quit, register, back, login. Okay, now the most important, register and login, right? Register and login. Okay, create account, and we need to start. We can say, if this is control only for widget, because the PHP files already have this control check, but we need say is valid. Sorry, we need to check if it's not empty, like it's not equal to empty, right? And the same with username and password. If you have any maximum or minimum characters for your in your range, like a 10 or 11 or something like that, you can add directly this check and not this. But for me, I want to add this check. So if email, username and password is not equal to empty, we can have the process. So we can call a function library register. Yeah. Now we can send this data here, username and password, right? And we need all the callbacks. So on register account response, we can process this request with request string, set a string request content. No, sorry. Get response content as a string, right? Response and print a string. So we can know if we create make literal text empty and empty. Yeah. We can check what happened. Go to register and we want to create account. We can't. You can see we can't because we don't have data here. So we can put username. I want to put admin. Oh, sorry. We need to change this, right? In password, we can see what we put. So for this, you only need click here and put is password here. And the same for the login. If we log in, we put is password here. So we can check again. Register admin. I want to put admin here, but you can't see. This is the point. And here I can put admin example point. Okay, so now we can get this register. And I don't know if we get a response. I try one to see, but I don't see anything. We can check here. We can go to our PHP and go to users. And yeah, we can see. We have username admin. The password have a hash. We did this in the PHP file, and we have email. And we can see when we create this account, right? So great. And now we need a login. For the login, is similar. We need click here, login, and click, and we can ask if username and password is not equal to empty value. Open to a branch fl login and get username and password. Don't worry for that. I think that doesn't make sense because we don't have a string here. We have a text value. But yeah, we can change this after. It's not necessary now. So yeah, we can check. And if we log in, we can create custom event. Add custom event on login account. On login response. We can make the same call here. And we can see what happened. So now I already have my account. Yeah, so I want to log in with my data. And you can see we have a success status. We have a login already. So now I can check here. I can get field here. Get field string. Decode. Wait. So get barest subsystem. We need get a field here. We want to ask if is status. We can see login, right? If status is success, we want to open the next level, right? Like, okay, I can log in my account and I can go to my character selection or my game world or something like that. So we can get JSON string. Let me see. Set a string. JSON as string. JSON object. Decode JSON object. Yeah. Decode JSON object. Get field string. So in this string we want to ask for status, right? So we put status here, branch. No, sorry. We need ask what is the condition. Is equal, exactly equal exactly branch exactly success, right? So if we have a correct data in login system, we have success status, and now yes, we can open other level. In my case, I want to have a character selection after my login, and in my character selection I can see um, what uh, what characters I have, right? Like I have a healer, I have a warrior, and this type of thing. So we need create a new level, basic. We can save this in the same folder, and we can put character selection map. Sorry, map. Yeah. So in this character selection, I don't have my correct blueprints now, but I want to put this only for test. And if I add this level here, we can try what happened, right? I can put full screen. I can add my users. I want to put intentional wrong content like admin2, admin. I try login, and you can see status is error. We can access because we don't have this account. So now we can put correct information. We can log in and we can open in our world. So yeah, this is the end of the tutorial. This is all for now. In the next tutorial, we want to create this character selection system with more functions and more PHP files. I put all the PHP files in the description. Remember, if you have any question, only ask me in the comments. You can contact me with Discord or email or something like that. Don't worry. I try to make the video with 2 audios, but I can't. I want to make 2 audios, one in Spanish and one in English, because if you can see, my English is not the best. I try to speak, but it's not the best. But I can't because YouTube can't give me this feature. I don't have a good subscriber and views number, so yeah, it's a little bit less, but don't worry, I can add subtitles. If you have any question, only ask me. I want to create a good content for beginners and for experts. So yeah, this is all for now. Have a great day, and if you have any question, please only ask me. Bye bye.